The first project for the semester is going to be a collage. There's two key things we're going to focus on with collage. The first one is composition, and the second one is aesthetically cohesive. You've probably made a collage in the past, like a photo collage for maybe another class or at home, where you take random photos and you kind of scatter them throughout. What we're really going to focus on for this collage you're making in our class is making sure that all elements go together and your composition is well thought out. The objective for the collage project is you will make a collage that repeats a shape, design, one specific element 25 times. So I'm going to tell you how to get started on the collage. You'll see here I started to kind of work on an example for you. The element that I'm repeating, or the shape I'm repeating, is this V shape. I'm going to repeat this 25 times down the page. But this is just the start of the collage. When you're starting a collage, you're going to need the 9x12 white paper that I put out for you. You're going to need rubber cement or Elmer's glue, scissors, and then you're also going to need this to come over and select materials from this big, creepy box of collage materials. When selecting materials, this is where aesthetically cohesive comes into play. You'll see I have it defined on the website for you, but what it means is do all of the elements, all of the materials you're going to select from this box, do they go together? So maybe you pick a bunch of textures and that's what you combine. Maybe you pick a bunch of graphics from like National Geographic. Maybe pick a bunch of patterns. Pick things that go together. Think about it like when you're putting on clothes in the morning or an outfit, you pick clothes that go together. Same thing for the collage. You're going to pick elements that go together. The next thing that you want to do is start thinking about your composition for the collage. Composition means the layout, what it looks like. Think about what elements are going to go in the back. So maybe I want to use this material in the back. And I'm going to cut that and I'm going to layer it down without gluing first. Lay it out, see what it looks like, and then glue it down. So this isn't glued down yet. It's just a bunch of elements. I knew that I wanted to make this blue piece in the back. So let's see. I have this blue piece. Okay. And I knew that I wanted to make this the background. So you're going to start from the back and work towards the front. Right? So I'm going to use rubber cement. Rubber cement is really great because you can paint it on and then you'll be able to lift it up later if you don't like it. If you use Elmer's glue, it's more solid, it glues things down better. So if you want to make something really flat, but it really sticks, so you can't move it later. Okay, so I'm going to glue this down. Okay, the next thing I'm going to glue down would be the green piece here. Okay, it's the green piece, working back to front. Okay, hook that on. You can put rubber cement or glue on the fabric or the cut magazine pieces, or you can put it right on the paper. It really doesn't matter. You do want to be pretty precise about your gluing and assembly. Right now I'm kind of going over the edge. You can see, like, just kind of going over the edge. I would come back with scissors and trim this later. Just making sure it's really precise and clean. Next I'm going to start gluing down the elements, the V shape that I'm repeating 25 times. Okay, I'm going to start at the top here. Start gluing this down. I would just keep going, keep assembling my collage together here. Just keep in mind that you don't want a random composition. You want a composition that's well thought out. You want shapes repeated, designs repeated 25 times. So make sure that you have that elements repeated, make sure it's aesthetically cohesive, it goes together, and make sure your composition is thought out. Okay? I'll be back on February 2nd to check these. They are worth 50 points. They must be completed by the time I get back. If they're not completed, you'll lose points. And also, projects are worth 50% of your grade. Okay, so really make sure that you are on task, working hard on your collage. And I can't wait to see what you guys make. Awesome.